Hello guys, it's your boy PizzaKing back in another video. Today I am teaching you basic HTML. So one thing before we start, sorry for not posting in a while. One thing you may have noticed is I'm using Notepad and not like Visual Studio Code or anything. While Visual Studio Code is 100% way more easier, I'm doing Notepad because not everybody has Visual Studio Code. Okay, so to get started, what you want to do is type in these two. Make sure it's in all caps. You do exclamation point doc type, then lowercase HTML. Then beneath that, do HTML, then slash HTML. So basically, whenever you're like doing something, most of the time it's always like, so like without the slash is opening and with the slash is closing. Okay, inside of the HTML, add head slash head. Then beneath that, add body, then slash body. And there you go. You got yourself the layout you need to start coding. So first of all, we're going to head, then type in title, then this time you're not going under it, you're going next to it. Then you type in slash title, and in between you type in the name of the website you want it to be. So for now, let's just do tutorial website, and there's that. Okay, now that we've added the title, let's do file, save as. You can put it anywhere, but for now we'll just put it in this file called tutorial for HTML. Double click it, of course, but before you click save, be sure to press save as type all files, then do index.html, save. Go to that folder real quick. There you can see we have our index file. So let's double click it, and this is the page. As you can see, there's nothing in it, but the title for earlier, you can see it's changed into tutorial website. Now to add something, go to body, and beneath that just type in, for some basic text, you can type in hello everybody, save, reload, and there's hello everybody. But for like full on like websites, the best thing you could do is h1/h1, then hello everybody. As you can see, it's a big text. And if you want to add some text beneath that, do p/p, then type in this is a paragraph or anything you want. And as you can see, there's large text and a paragraph. Want to add this like to the center, more like over here, don't you? So what you want to do, go inside of head, do style, then slash style. So like to make sure that it doesn't get all weirded out, let's go back into body. Let's do div ID, then name it literally anything you want. Just do hello. Then beneath all the stuff you want to be centered, let's do /div. Then we're back in style. Do hashtag hello. Then these thingies, I never knew what they were called. Do text align. Center, and now it should be in the center. There it is. It's in the center. now what you want to do, you probably want to know how to add like hyperlinks. So what you want to do, so go into body, do A/A, and inside of the first A, do a space and type in href quotes, and then type in any URL you want. For now, let's just do my channel. Let's paste that in href and type in the text you want for it to be clicked on. Let's just do click me. Do save. Now you can see there's click me. Let's click it, and it brings us to my channel. So now you're probably wondering, why is it so like desolate? There's not cool colors and stuff. So yeah, I know. We're gonna get to that. So I'm going to introduce you into the magical world of CSS. So let's get back into the index. So like we're gonna make the class hello look more like, we're gonna make it have a little banner thingy. It goes from here to there. You know what I mean? Anyway, so we're gonna do background color, and we're gonna do blue. And then there we go, it's blue. But blue doesn't go so good with black, so we're gonna make it red. Now you can see it. And now for a basic like text thing, like let's go below the slash div, do p/p. In between those two, just type in something you want. Let's just do, okay, let's save that, and of course it's there. But now to make it like really long, and now let's add, but now you want to add like a line. So let's get back to the index. Let's do hr, reload, and there's a line. So now let's do h1/h1 big text, like it's insanely large. And now let's do an extremely long paragraph. Let's just do a bunch of gibberish. And as you can see, it takes out the thing, but you want it to be like spaces and stuff. So in between them, let's do br, save that, and get your spaces. Let's do br again, and yeah. Now, next thing we're gonna do is, you're probably gonna want to know how to make your text like bold or whatever. So to do it, let's just type in look at this text. And now for the part that you want it to look bold or whatever, like really dark, kind of like this, you want to do strong, then /strong, and then hello, look at this text. But yeah, that's probably gonna be it for today's tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.